Okay, so I found one of these tins in my local Tesco, which means it's all older gen Pokemon packs. So we're gonna go from newest to oldest. So there's 2 Obsidian Flames, Scarlet Violet base pack, and Sword Shield Astral Radiance. Let's go. I did this wrong. Sharkadet, Pawniard, Paycap, Crapper, Glitza, Embryon. I love Embryon. First time. What? Illustration for Ninetales. And Reversal of Thundurus. What is this setting us up for? I have no idea. But nice. Okay, second Obsidian Flames. Paladin Wooper, Carvanha, Chunk, Bungus, Lunatone, Dartrix, Unkaloon, Reverse Glimmer, Reverse Orgrimmar, and a Scizor. Nothing in the Scarlet and Violet base. Let's go. What is Clauncher, Beliv, Quaxley, Pawniard, Tatsugiri, Nestball, Pachirisu, Reverse Flittle, Reverse Defiance Band, and Cloth. Astral Radiance. It's been a minute since I have opened up Sword and Shield. And by a minute, I mean I haven't opened up any since the set came out. I believe it's 3. It's 4. I am messing this start there. Bergmite, Hippopotas, Cyndaquil, Scyther, Energy. What is Switch Card? Cocoon. Wait and See Turbo. I did not know that was. Radiant Hawlucha? Okay. Let's go delicately. And then just a Hologram Project. Okay. I know what Hawlucha card I own is going into my colorless binder. So, 2 out of 4 pretty good hits. You know what? I will take the any day of the week. So with that, Dawnlings, I hope a new dawn is rising with you. I love you. And dawn is staying with me for now. So I'll see you when the next dawn rises.